Welcome to Attack It Trucker Car Series today. We're just going to clean this engine hoist up. It's been left out in the weather for a long time, and hopefully I can get a base coat of paint on it, and maybe just, I don't have a garage or nothing, so I'm going to try to keep this part, the cylinder part, covered up, and the paint will help keep it from rusting so bad. When I get ready to use it, it don't have some kind of weakened welds on it or something. But this is supposed to be rated at about 6,500 pounds, and I picked it up for a good price. I think it was, I could have got a smaller one for what I paid for this one, but this is such a heavy duty unit. If I ever need to pull an engine and trans at the same time, I think it'll be more than adequate for what we use it for. So pick this up. This is made by Clutch. Got them at the Northern Tool Supply. You get a whole pack of them for maybe about $12. I think they're about $1 a piece, but they do real good on this. If you ever want to do some sanding where you don't want to remove metal, but you want to polish the metal up. In this case, you can see that it's knocked up pretty smooth. So I'm just going to go right to spray paint. I mean, you know, spray. Like, I'll show you what this will do to the chain too. Chain's coming out. Look at that. Let's see how much chain we got in here to paint. That's what I'm going to do for the whole thing, and we're going to cut to it just like this. Alright, we used a couple of wheels on this. Just doing it real quick. I don't want to, my grinder was getting hot because I'm running such a long cord, and I don't want to lose my grinder, so this is ground enough. Now I'm just got to make it fancier by making this one color and then the rest different. This is just designed to stop the rust.
You're gonna tell how old this cherry picker was?
It's the age is not known really, but it's older than me, and I still paid as much. Let's put it this way: I paid as much for this as I would have down at Harbor Freight for one of the light duty ones. This one's heavy, so
Yeah.
that's no problem. I'll pay it. No problem.
So it's about 50 years old?
Yeah, it could be. Like I said, we really don't know.
You're 48, right? I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Would that be cool to have the uprights red? Because we only have so much paint.
Yeah, that's fine.
I wanted to get some, and this, of course, there's a lot of rust that I'm painting over too. I want to get some primer for the Bronco, for the Black Beauty. The original color on that is more like a, closer to a,
Maroon.
yeah, maroon, but the primer would look dark like this rust. So I don't know if I'm gonna try to go back to closer to the original, maybe. I don't like it being a different color than what's on the fin. In case I decide to just get it repainted, I'm not going to change the color of it. I don't want to get accused of trying to hide its identity. I mean, I got the title for it. Just leave it whatever color it was. Man, this thing is eating a lot of paint.
So now we're doing the black on these poles in the base.
Oh, I think that's good to restop some of the rust.
Yeah.
The sand and stuff is just covered up. Covered in dirt and mud from the storms.
All right.
I kind of like the lift pump and the uprights being red. That helps make it show how big it is. This thing's big.
Yeah. It's probably about 100, 200 pounds, right?
Yeah. I mean, it's so wide that it makes it safe to lift. But actually, what you want is a big lift, cylinder. That's what. I think this lifts, what I say, 4,500 pounds. It should be enough.
Yeah.
Should be enough as long as this never bends. Should be good.
We might take the engine out of this car right here.
Yep.
I pointed to the Ford Escape.
Yep. We'll see. Anything's possible. At least we'll have something that looks like a tool when we go to use this.
Yeah. All right, I'll show you it when we come back here in a minute.
All right, that concludes this. We just do a quick coat. You're gonna still see the rust, but hopefully we neutralized a little bit of the rust. But yeah, it's only 30 minutes to an hour to help preserve it.
And you colored the chain army green.
Yep, that's a heavy chain. That thing
With the
was
hook.
all hiding up inside. It was pretty neat the way
Yeah.
it was just stuck in there. But thanks for watching, and you almost got on that hook.
Yeah.
Just share this comment below, share this video, and like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.